guys! Today we are going to tell you the story, The Very Hungry Caterpillar. A caterpillar that ate and ate until it transformed into a beautiful butterfly. Are you ready? In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf. One Sunday morning, the warm sun came up and pop! Out of the egg came a tiny and a very hungry caterpillar. She started to look for some food. On Monday, she ate through one apple, but she was still hungry. On Tuesday, she ate through 2 pears, but she was still hungry. On Wednesday, she ate through 3 plums, but she was still hungry. On Thursday, she ate through 4 strawberries, but she was still hungry. On Friday, she ate through 5 oranges, but she was still hungry. On Saturday, she ate through 1 piece of chocolate cake, 1 ice cream cone, 1 pickle, 1 slice of Swiss cheese, 1 slice of salami, 1 lollipop, 1 piece of cherry pie, 1 sausage, 1 cupcake, and 1 slice of watermelon. That night, she had a stomachache. The next day was Sunday again. The caterpillar ate through 1 nice green leaf, and after that, she felt much better. Now she wasn't hungry anymore, and she wasn't a little caterpillar anymore. She was a big fat caterpillar. She built a small house called a cocoon around herself. She stayed inside for more than 2 weeks. Then she nibbled a hole in the cocoon, pushed her weight out, and she was a beautiful butterfly. And this is the story of the very hungry caterpillar.
Well, did you like the story?
Yes, teacher, it was fun.
I am a little scared of caterpillars with so many legs, but this one was always angry.
That's right. The caterpillar ate many things. Can anyone tell me what she ate on Monday?
1 apple.
Excellent. And on Tuesday?
2 pears, teacher.
Yes, great. Fruit is very healthy for our bodies.
She's doing great so far, right, teacher? She eats like a model.
But what happens when the caterpillar eats a cupcake, sausages, salami, cake, and too much unhealthy food at the end of the week?
Is his mother or her? Poor caterpillar.
No, she feels sick.
Yes, she had a stomachache because she ate too much cake, ice creams, and sweets.
Oh no!
The caterpillar ate many foods this week. Some were healthy and some were not. Then what happened when she ate too much cake and ice cream?
She has a tummy ache.
Exactly. Eating too much unhealthy food is not good for our body. Now, let's learn about the foods that help us grow strong and healthy. We will look at the food pyramid and see how often we should eat each type of food. Look at this food pyramid. At the bottom, we have grains like bread, rice, and pasta. They give us energy to run and play. Above that, we find fruits such as apples and bananas and vegetables like carrots and tomatoes. They give us vitamins and help us stay healthy. Then we have dairy foods like milk, cheese, and yogurt. They make our bones and teeth strong. Next, there are protein foods like meat, fish, eggs, and beans. They help us grow strong and healthy. At the top, there are fats and sweet foods like chocolate, chips, and butter. These taste good, but we should eat them only sometimes and just a little. Do you see it? Can everyone say the food groups with me? Grains, fruits, vegetables, proteins, dairy food, and fats and sweets. Food.
Grains, fruits, vegetables, proteins, dairy, fats, and sweets.
That's perfect. Then remember, what kind of food is healthy and what is unhealthy?
Apple and pears are healthy.
Exactly. Healthy food gives us vitamins and energy. Unhealthy food has too much sugar and fat.
And ice cream and lollipops are now healthy.
Let's compare with our story. The caterpillar ate fruits like apples, pears, plums, strawberries, and oranges. She also ate junk food like cake, lollipops, cheese, sausages, and pie. What happened after she ate that junk food?
She had a tummy ache. Yes, because eating too much junk food can make our digestive system work too hard.
So, what can we learn from the story?
Eat good food.
Not eat too much cake, only on birthdays.
Great answers.
Remember, healthy food makes us strong and happy.
Now, let's draw our own food pyramid and put the foods in the right place. We will say the words in English and talk about which foods we eat every day and which food we eat only sometimes. And you, what do you choose to eat for energy? Healthy food or junk food?